Hello students, a microwave of wavelength 2 cm falls normally on a slit of width 4 cm. The angular spread of the central maxima of the diffraction pattern obtained on a screen 1.5 meter away from the slit will be: on the screen, central maxima is spreaded from first minima on the upper side to first minima on the lower side. Therefore, angular spread for the central maxima is twice of first minima. Path difference for the first minima is given by a sin theta is equal to lambda, where a is the slit width and this is given to us 4 cm. So 4 sin theta is equal to lambda. Lambda is 2 cm. So we get sin theta equal to 1 by 2. Therefore theta is 30 degree. Therefore angular spread for the central maxima is 2 theta and this is 60 degree. Therefore option 3 is correct. Alright, thank you.